Is Apple ever going to leave China? This is a question that people have been asking for years now. Short answer, Apple just cannot do that. At least not in the short run. But the company is definitely looking for alternatives. More than 90% of Apple products that you see are manufactured in China. The company's production is heavily dependent on the country. Now, producing in China comes with several advantages like low cost and an abundant supply of labor and raw materials. However, this also means that decisions that the Chinese government takes will directly affect Apple's production and the global supply of their products. Something like this is already happening in the country. Ever since the pandemic, China has been trying hard to avoid the spread of dangerous viruses in the future. The Chinese government's strict anti-COVID measures, combined with Apple's over-dependence on the country, is now forcing it to diversify its production. Countries like India and Vietnam are probably the best alternatives right now. These countries, especially India, offer advantages similar to China, like low cost of production, skilled and educated labor, and raw materials. Apple has already started production in these countries, but it's still a very small percentage of the overall supply. It's going to be a challenge for the company to build an infrastructure in India and Vietnam that is similar if not better than what they've already built in China in the past decade. So coming back to the main question, is Apple leaving China? Well, not really. Are they looking to expand in different countries to further secure their business? Yes, I think this is what you should take from this video. This was it for today's video. If you're watching this on YouTube or Facebook, don't forget to like the video and join us here for more of our content. Thank you for watching.